Hello, my name is Ojunsa from T수능M-A1 class. Today, I would like to talk about something we all use every day, the Internet. The Internet is a very powerful tool. It helps us learn new things, stay connected with friends or family, and have fun. We can watch videos, play games, and even do our homework online. However, while the Internet is very useful, it can also be dangerous if we don't use it in a smart and safe way. So, we can say that it is important to know how to use Internet safely and wisely. These are the list of ways to use Internet safely. Never sharing personal information, talking with parents, and being kind online. Today, here, I will talk to you about these 3 ways. First, you should always protect your personal information. It means that you should never share your full name, address, phone number, school name, or passwords online, especially with people you don't know. Sometimes, for example, strangers on the Internet may pretend to be someone that are not. If someone asks for your personal details, tell an adult, like parent, teacher, or other trusted adult right away. They will help you through. Second, you should always talk to your parents or guardians about what you do online. If you see something strange or scary on the Internet, don't keep it a secret. Tell an adult. It's okay to ask questions. Your parents can also help you set rules for Internet use, like which websites are safe to use and how long you can be online each day. Remember, the Internet should never replace time spent with your family, friends, playing outside, or reading a good book. And lastly, you should be kind online. The Internet is not just about the safety, it's also about how we treat others. Just like in real life, you should never bully, hurt, or embarrass people on the Internet. If someone is being mean to you or to others, don't respond. Take a screenshot and tell a trusted adult. Let's work together to make the Internet a safe and friendly place for everyone. In conclusion, the Internet is like a big city. There are a place where it's fun to explore, but also places that are not safe. By protecting our personal information, talking with adults, and being kind online, we can use Internet in a safe and smart way. Thank you for listening, and remember, stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy the Internet.